Hello students, now today I will take verbal examples based on set theory. See, the given example is in a survey it was found that 21 people, how many number of people? 21 people like product A, cut 26 like product B, 30 people like product C, 14 like A and B, 12 likes C and A, 14 likes B and C, 8 likes all the 3 types of products. All 3 types of products, how many numbers? Like 8. Mention, find how many like the product A or B or C. Means all, I already mentioned, all together elements we consider for A, B and C, nothing but A union B union C we have to calculate. And we have the formula. What? N of A union B union C already I given. N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula N of A union B union C. Already given. N of A, N of B, N of C minus N of A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Very first step is we have to write the product, those who like A, B and C. See, in a survey, how many number of people like product A? 21. Means given set N of A, how many number of people? 21. And 26 like product B. Means N of B given 26. And how many number of people like product C? 30. Means N of C 30. Correct. And A and B, the two products means A and B, what I mentioned, and means intersection. N of A intersection B likes how many number of people say? 14. Okay. And next B, C and A, correct? N of C intersection A, how many number of them? 12. Next 14 like B and C. B and C, how many number of like? 14. And next 8. 8 like all the 3 products N of A intersection B intersection C. 8. Now we have to calculate N of A union B union C is what? This is the example. Hodalo 21 people product A like ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 26 people product B like ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 30 people C like ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ A ಮತ್ತು B product 14 members, C ಮತ್ತು A product 12 members, B and C product 14 members. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಮಂದಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾರಿ? 8. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂದಾರಿ? ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A union B union C. ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ. A union B union C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 21 plus 26 plus 30 minus 14 minus 12 minus 14 plus 8. Calculate. And tell the answer. Answer we get it is 45. All the products of the members which are present in A or B or C is how many members? 45. Okay, in this way we can calculate. Such type of example is asked in the exam for 3 marks question. Okay, how many number of marks? 3 marks. Next example. Next example. See, the next example is mentioned in a group 200 people. In a group 200 people, 130 like to play cricket. Okay, 80 like to play hockey. 110 like to play football. All of them like to play at least one of the three games. If 50 like to play both football and hockey, 44 like to play both cricket and football, then how many like to play both all the three games? This is the given example. Please try to solve this example in home. Okay? The same type of examples. Okay. Next example, review. In a survey, 480 students, 480 students in a school, 120 were listed. 120 were listed as taking orange juice. And 180 as taking 180 were listed as taking apple juice. And 100 were listed as taking both apple and orange juice. Both apple and orange juice. Find how many students. Find how many students. Find how many students were taking. Find how many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice. This is the question. Just go through the question. Okay, what is given? In a survey, 480 students. In a survey, 480 students. Okay. In a school, 120 were listed as taking orange juice. 180 were listed as taking apple juice. 100 were listed as taking both apple and orange juice. And in this example, we have to calculate how many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಾರ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಾರಿ? 480 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಾರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ 120 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರಂತ, 180 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರಂತ, 100 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರೆಂಜು ತೊಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಿ? 480. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ n of u is given 480 students. Universal set. Okay. Next, orange juice. Number of students those who are taking orange juice, n of o, 120 members. O represent orange juice. How many number of people are taking apple juice? 180. 100 were taking both apple and orange juice. Means n of o intersection a is 100. Means here which one is not mentioned? N of a union o. Either apple or orange. We don't know. That one we have to calculate first. The formula is n of a plus n of o minus n of intersection o. That is n of a is 480. Sorry. N of a is 180. N of o 120 minus 100. Tell me the answer. 180 plus 120, 200. 180 plus 120, 300 minus 100, we get answer is 200. Okay, but here mentioned to find out, we have to calculate the students those who are not taking neither apple nor orange juice. Means we have to calculate n of a union o the dash, and I already explained the complement set, that is a dash. Correct. A dash represent element present in u but not in a. Means we can write it as u minus a. A dash means element present in u but not in a. Andre a dash andra u dagirbeku but a dagirabadu elements. Means the same we will get here, element or the number of students those who are present in universal set but they are not in a union o. Andra universal set nag irtave but apple ಮತ್ತು orange juice ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೊಳಗ ಅವರು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that is n of a union o the dash, that can be written as n of u. Correct. N of u, the same formula we are using, minus n of a union o, or whatever we can write a union o. Okay. N of u is what? 480 minus n of a union o 200. We will get 280 students. 280 students were neither 280 students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. 280 students apple juice ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, orange juice ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. Okay, this is the given example we can calculate, and such type of example ask the exam for 3 marks. Okay.